Welcome to Switch It Up. And today we're switching it up, aren't we, Sheila?
Stop saying that. Like you said it every time.
I do. Because we always switch it up. We are hanging with Larry, and he has this wonderful channel called Work Less, Enjoy Life More. How long have you been doing YouTube?
About 3 or 4 years, I believe.
Yeah, right around the same
Somewhere
time. And we found an RV that would fit Sheila perfectly. So we're going to do a tour today of this amazing little Geo.
Okay, roll the intro, because then I got questions.
She's got so many questions over this thing.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
All right, and we're back. See, Larry, we didn't go far.
Okay.
I like your intro, by the way.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like that.
You like the intro?
We're going to talk about that afterwards.
Okay, we could do that. Sheila's got questions.
Okay, my first question is, what's the goal?
Right, because we have 2 living quarters here.
I see, like, you have a bigger space over here, which makes sense. It's in a truck camper. Are you downsizing? Like, from that to this?
Oh, he tows behind it. This is his
No,
tow.
but is his goal to, like, live in this?
No, never. It's kind of hard to even camp in, but I guess it was more built to just get into places that I couldn't take the 1-ton dually truck.
Oh.
So this way I can go down all the little back trails in the desert and then just find a spot anywhere and just camp.
Dude, how tall are you, though?
6'2".
Yeah, so he's not even small. I made a comment on one of our little posts on Facebook, and they were like, "Oh no, if you meet Larry, he's not tiny."
6'2", and so you fit in this.
Yeah, actually the bed is 6'8".
Oh.
So
You got
plenty of room.
6 whole inches.
So what year is it? Give us a rundown.
It's a 92 Geo Tracker
Uh-huh.
with, I don't even know how many miles on it.
Oh,
Hang on a second. I gotta get the side kit. Hang on.
he's like,
not like the hair.
somebody's encroaching on his territory.
I do not blame him.
Anyway, sorry. But yeah, I don't even know how many miles are on it. I got it in like a trade for a job I was doing. But,
Okay.
4-wheel drive, and whoever had it before put a lift on it, and a bumper. And,
Oh yeah,
I mean,
like
everything.
you're gonna get stuck, and so you can go ahead and winch yourself out.
Yeah,
Or you hit a deer.
yeah.
Something like that.
Can you imagine a deer strapped across the top?
Okay. So
This is a work in progress.
Yeah, and that was kind
are
of
those
just
solar panels?
yeah. It's got 200 watts of solar on the roof.
What for?
It
do
powers a power station inside, which will power. I have a fantastic fan on the top.
Okay.
So, yeah, for ventilation. And then also I have these like lights that light up the camp around me and everything.
There
And
you
it
go.
all goes off of that. I got a little porch light and everything a normal size camper has. Almost.
Just in a micro. It's
Yeah.
It's like a micro camper. Like
Yeah. Micro. Actually, it's self-proclaimed world's smallest truck camper.
Oh, wait a minute.
whoa.
Wait.
I added the self-proclaimed.
Is this can we go for a Guinness Book of World Records for world's smallest truck camper?
Probably. I've
We should look that up.
scoured the internet. I cannot find a smaller one.
Okay,
Truck
see
camper.
what
Truck camper.
this is awesome. This is awesome. And you did showcase some of this on your channel when you were starting kind of building. You didn't do the whole process, but he does have some of it on there.
Yeah, I really honestly thought that nobody would care how to build one because I was like, who's gonna have a Geo Tracker and want to build one? But
Right.
after I built it, I've been just flooded with comments on how I should.
Oh, that's fun.
I should have posted a how-to build.
You could do a samurai, like
Oh,
all those little. There's. You might be on something new here.
I know, actually, my brain has been just rolling since I've done this, and I'm like, those new like little Ford Maverick trucks.
Right.
Oh yeah.
It's like, man, how cool would it be to build something like that on one of those? Who knows?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's mainly meant to just mimic my bigger camper because I thought
Right.
it just looked funny to tow it behind.
But then it allows you to kind of get off into the
Smaller
off-beat
areas.
path, smaller areas, and you still have a covering over your head at night.
Yeah.
That's fun.
I know you're dying to see inside. He has not completed it. So we're going to show you at the process of where he is. So then when you gotta go check out his channel, he can showcase it as he progresses.
Yeah, I'm going to try to finish it this summer.
Okay, that's the goal?
Yeah.
Okay, but he can show you inside because I don't have to even jump inside of it. We can just stand at the door. It's so small. But you're asking,
climb in there?
yeah, you're asking how he sleeps and everything because I was too. Okay.
I have a bunch of tools in here, but
Yeah.
I basically sleep from here all the way to the
Yeah, he
side.
took out this seat,
Okay.
and so he
okay.
made that a bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I've still got access to all the controls and everything. It doesn't really get in the way. And then there's actually plenty of storage underneath. And all it is there's a couple of screws to disconnect the front bed.
Yeah.
And then this all comes out. I've got these turnbuckles. It just comes out like a normal truck camper. So I can take it out, and I still have the top and the tailgate. I can put it all back on.
What are you putting up on top?
That's just storage. It was kind of meant for the dogs at first, but they
Yeah.
don't like it up there, so it's just storage now.
It's like, he's like,
You don't care about
don't put me up there.
But
Okay, that's fantastic.
And then you were talking. I saw something. This is your shelf, and you got a cutting board. With that, he's gonna have like a place that you can cook.
Like an out. Like
Yeah, it's a,
yeah, so my kitchen's out here.
There you go.
That way,
Well,
It's
yeah,
gonna get
I'm
too
not
hot
sure,
in there.
I'm not sure that it would go in there.
yeah, and whenever I have the power station and the refrigerator right here, there's not a lot of room, you know, once the bed's laying down and all
Right.
that stuff. So I originally wanted to put a kitchen,
Uh huh.
like a little tiny sink and a little 1-burner stove, but
Right.
I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. I don't know. I'm just brainstorming what the inside's gonna look like. I was originally thinking making it look like a little cabin,
right.
a little wood stove or something in there, but we'll see.
Okay, what if it's just a fun project?
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
just having a great time, which that's awesome. It's just something because he can.
Because you can. Are you gonna finish it off and like cover this too with something or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna do insulation, and then I already bought all the paneling. I'm still just running wires. I bought like a bunch of can lights on a dimmer that's gonna go on the ceiling, and
Huh.
and then I have like one of those whips that you see on the side by sides.
Right.
It's gonna go on the side here, and you know. Just,
What do you have for lithium batteries, or do you?
Nothing right now. Just all the solar runs down into a power station.
Okay.
And then the power station runs the fridge and the fans and
Oh yeah.
all that stuff for now.
So you don't even need a full lithium setup.
End up getting to that. I have a couple extra batteries that I might turn into like a lithium setup.
I think it's funny because everyone talks about those portable power units, and since he's using a portable power unit here and it runs it all, and then you could just pull it out and go charge it and bring it back in whenever you need it.
And what's great about that one is it charges from 0 to full in an hour. So I mean, I can just pull into a laundromat, do my laundry, plug it in, and
Yeah.
ready to go. But I do have 200 watts of solar on the roof,
so it
and I've
helps.
never had a problem even getting down to like 80%. I mean, even running the fridge, super efficient fridge.
This is gas. Have you looked at those little diesel heaters? Like, you know, those portable heaters that are real skinny that you could use? What do you use for heat?
Nothing yet.
He's
Well,
in
no, actually,
Arizona.
no, I do. I
Yeah.
take it back. I do. I found a little on Amazon. There's a little 250 watt like desktop heater,
Right.
and I'll plug that in. And I mean, I can get like 4 hours of heat off the power station. And sometimes, I mean, yeah, I'll just turn that on in the middle of the night.
On his other content, you can go to his channel and he actually you have like a little stove, like a wood burning stove.
Yeah, little cubic mini
A
stove.
Yeah. And is that in there?
Yeah,
That's in that one.
and that one over there.
Yeah. So there's always an option. You could always put in, you know, chop up some leaves or something and stick in there.
Yeah, that's the best part. Is anywhere I go. I mean, in
You
fact,
got-
I just
right.
posted a video where I was in Colorado and my diesel heater. Well, my batteries got so low
Right.
that I couldn't even turn my diesel heater on, and I had to stay up all night just feeding that stove. But I mean, I'm glad I had it because it
Right.
was 1 degrees outside.
Oh my
so,
gosh.
Yeah.
Yes, that's where not to be.
Yeah, definitely came in handy.
Yeah.
And I'm actually kind of thinking after that event that I need to put a little bit bigger stove in that one, and I
Right.
might put that little stove in
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be a fun little project to follow.
I'm excited to see how it turns out. All I think of is grandkids would love this.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a perfect, like they can go camp, like it's their mini camping with them, but they're not 16.
I just have not seen this towed down the road with you behind it. You've got to get some crazy
Oh my
looks
gosh.
when it's behind you.
some honks.
Yeah,
and
I could
some-
never change lanes because they're always next to me filming, you
Oh.
know, or taking pictures or something. So it's hard to change lanes.
So you're probably like TikTok famous, don't even know it.
Yeah, actually, I've only had this in like 2 videos,
Yeah.
and this is what everybody recognizes my channel from. Is the little.
All the hard work of creating content,
Nobody knows
and, and they only see the Geo. Oh, that's fun.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Little one loves it.
Gives some inspiration for other people. Like Don't tell me you can't get out there and go see anything, right?
Right.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
I mean, you can find something, some way, a truck camper,
Create
a
it.
tent. Go make memories. Go see things. That's what you're doing.
And I didn't have any plans. I just kind of like was building it one piece at a time and
Yeah.
just took my time and and then that's what it ended up turning out. But I mean, yeah, it's
It's a fun little project.
definitely
Yeah.
cheaper than a full size camper.
Absolutely.
Definitely. What we really need to do, Larry, is get you that Guinness Book of World Record. I think we
That
should
would be-
submit. We need to submit you for smallest truck camper.
We'll let him get it all finished.
Okay.
We'll have all the things.
Yeah, leave a comment below if you think he should be able to, go for the record. This is 4-wheel drive though.
Yeah.
So,
We have some friends that would make some really good videos in here. We call him Little D. He's a friend
Yes.
of ours.
Little D, they
he's
actually
a micro wrestler.
we do micro yes,
Wow,
micro
a whole lot
wrestling.
of micro wrestlers out in the back
How
of
many
your-
micro wrestlers could fit
in your truck
in the
camper?
Geo Tracker? Yes, we could
That
have
would be
D.
fun.
Yeah, the whole family.
I think they could all fit.
Oh, I'll have to message D.
Yes, that'd be fun.
Yeah, they're fabulous. Awesome. Thanks for allowing us to just kind of check it out today.
Yeah, no
It's
problem.
it's awesome. It really is because it's creative. I love the creative side of things. I don't know. A lot of nights sitting in a regular truck camper to come up with this one.
Now, one bit of warning though is
Uh-oh.
that you can't ever go anywhere quickly. One because it's very slow.
Yeah.
It takes about 3 or 4 miles to get up to highway speed. But every time I stop anywhere, a gas station, I mean, sometimes, like I was at the gas station the other day, it was 3 hours before I could leave.
Oh, 'cause
people just
questions.
kept coming up.
Oh yeah.
I
I want
think-
to see. I want to
Yeah.
see.
I think
yeah.
everyone right now is wondering you can flat tow this.
Yeah.
I never knew Geo Trackers could be flat towed. So if you're looking for an interesting flat tow vehicle, you got one.
Yeah.
That's an interesting
Don't
toter.
even notice it back there.
Don't even know. Yeah, I mean, you tow
So
one
So
time.
you see all the people
Yeah.
taking pictures.
Right.
Thanks for just sharing.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
problem.
it.
All right.
No problem.
You guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go check out his channel. I mean, this would be a fun little adventure to see. I mean, he does have a normal one. Look, Look.
Truck camper.
He does have a normal setup, and he does travel with his puppies, and so all that's there. But that is towing that, so that's where it gets interesting. Oh wait, she was trying to. If he's single, ladies.
He's got a sweet.
Comment below. Just
Yeah.
on the prowl, just looking.
Just saying.
Oh gosh.
He's got his quarters and he's got a spare room for you
A
to come
spare-
hang
yeah.
out for a little
Or
bit.
Yeah.
if I get put in the doghouse,
You
whatever.
know, whatever it is.
I'm used
Yeah.
to that too. So.
There we go.
So this is like bachelor
Yes.
or bachelorette, but unfortunately this is like RVer looking for the perfect, partner.
Would you fit in there? Travel with Larry.
Oh, we're gonna start a whole new series for Larry. Okay,
All right.
thanks for tuning in today. And Sheila, with all that being said,
We're out.
I know she loves saying we're out. Larry, do you know what do you say at the end of your videos?
See you next time. I don't really have an outro yet.
Okay, we're just gonna say we're out.